Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question on maximum power theorem. This question has been asked in GATE 2015. In the given circuit, the maximum power in watt that can be transferred to RL. So we have to find out maximum power transferred to this load RL. To solve this question, first of all, we will find out Thevenin's equivalent of the circuit. Thevenin's equivalent means Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's resistance of the circuit across terminal RL. We have removed this RL, open circuited it here so that we can find out the Thevenin's voltage. As we can see that there is no information in this question that it is RMS voltage or maximum voltage of this voltage source. A solution given by GATE, it indicates that this was RMS value. So we have assumed that this is RMS value of voltage. Then VTS can be written as, by using voltage division rule, we need to find out voltage across this resistance J2. So it will be J2 upon sum of both the resistance J2 plus 2 into total voltage across these two resistances. After solving, we can find out VTS is equal to 2 under root phase 45 degree. Let us see how can we calculate Thevenin's resistance of the circuit. So this is the circuit given. To find out Thevenin's resistance, voltage source is short circuited and equivalent resistance across terminal of this load has been calculated here. If we short circuit this voltage source, then these two impedances will be in parallel. So here ZTH can be written as 2 parallel J2. If we solve it, then we can find out ZTH is equal to under root 2 phase 45 degree. As we know that if Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's resistance of a circuit has been known, and load ZL, if it is purely resistive, means XL is 0, then maximum power will be transferred to this load when ZL will be equal to mod of ZTH of the circuit. So maximum power will be transferred to RL when RL will be equal to mod of ZTH. If you want to know that why we have applied it here, then you should see the video which I have uploaded in this channel by the name of maximum power theorem. If you will see that video, then you will understand that there are 3 cases, and in all cases what will be the value of load for maximum power transfer theorem. So in this case we have RL is equal to mod of ZTH. Then if we put the value of ZTH we have calculated here, then RL value will be equal to under root 2. This implies only amplitude of this RL. So here we can see the amplitude is only under root 2. So RL will be equal to under root 2 ohm. IL can be find out VTH upon RL plus ZTH. So we can find out IL equal to 1.08 phase of 22.5 degree. In maximum power theorem we have seen that maximum power formula can be written as IL square into RL if RMS value is given. So as we have calculated RMS value here 1.08, so it will be mod of IL RMS square will be equal to 1.08 square. Since only amplitude part of this current IL is 1.08, so we put 1.08 here and square it into RL value is under root 2. So maximum power transfer this load will be equal to 1.65 watt.